natin, Sir Jade Hamolod. Isang tawag lang, wala nga. Hindi, may dos ayuda derecho contigo. Sir Jade Hamolod, muchas gracias. El Diato niya sa ganador con el Diato 18, under 18 division. Second runner-up. And Horabuena con el Zone 3.
Oh, yan, mute lang kami, Enante, kasi tiyan sila, kansyon, yan, play again. So, copyright, baka mang copyright ka na, ban violation ka na, ba? So, yan, mute lang kami na to. Kasi lang, okay ako.
Joke lang. El, di atong mga players under 18. El Zone 3, Edmund Kit Dinglasa, Chris Kaiser Turin, Romel Alonzo, David Denzel Lauhari, David Dexter Lauhari, Chris Mark Langga, Jaime Aceas Alvarez, RJ Cauban, Jonas Anthony Matias, Louis J. Camins Rabaca, Jaynard Francisco Arcean, Chan Marion Acedona, Rensis Revillas, Rayber Rodriguez, and Joshua Dave Pago Isidro.
Okay, sir. Kasi basta dami. So, congratulations to Zone 3, second runner-up in 18 under division.
This time, dali kita award ko di ato na first runner-up. And yan sa first runner-up under 18 Division L, Zone 4.
Congratulations, Zone 4, first runner-up in 18 under. Para ng mga bata, no? Grande cosa, agad na sila.
Zone 4, Ashley Alexis De Rosario, Aaron Abriel Del Rosario, Carl Joseph Bautista, Cairo Campanya, David Viola Jr., John Dalton Tangian, Rainy Perez, Redor Hope Senyolos, Kaiser Ahmad, Matthew Magno, Prince Zander, Basilio, Aiken Amir Conte, Joshua James Almetras, and Dan Zakari Pagkatan ni Christian Atilano. Under 18 division sila. Pero height di kagawad Neil, anisita ka tayo adelante. Kaya hindi reklaro na sa ato pa mga under 18 ko na kung kagawad Neil Mariano. 10 taon mo. Sa kampiyon ko ng gatong under 18 division and Horabuena Zone 5.
Congratulations, Zone 5. Amo el champion, no? Grabe, gatgal. The biggest upset, I guess, one of the biggest upsets na yung cover kami. Akalagat ano siya, Bimbalik at Alwego.
Rafael Mario Zamora, Amber Salazar.
Once again, thank you AM Sportswear for their championship apparel.
Clarence Rod Dayot, Kurt Adrian Sanson Arias, Mark Laser Sanson, Ronian Jeremy Dargantes, Jeff Vincent Vicente Raymer, John Alate, Alzamir Napi.
Once again, we would like to extend our heartfelt gratitude for Dog Cup RF Mariano for spearheading this Interzone Basketball League. from the young ones to the veterans. So 13 under, 18 under, and open.
And Horabuena, Colombian Zone 5, El Champion under 18 division. And este tiempo, nag-award kita Colombian best players, our Mythical 5. Congratulations from Zone 4, Alexis Del Rosario. From Zone 5, Raver John Adante. From Zone 5, Clark Ken Enriquez. From Zone 2, Dexter Santos. And from Zone 3, David Dexter Lauhari. Sila 5 Albiato na Mythical Best Players, Mythical 5 for the under 18 division. And Albiato season MVP from Zone 4, Alexis Del Rosario. Congratulations. EL Albiato Finals MVP under 18 division. From Zone 5, Raver John Adante. And let's have a group photo with Cap Richard Mariano alongside with the Barangay Council, Barangay Kagawas. And of course, ASEC Jade Hamolod Action Agad, representative from the office of the Senator Bongo. Okay, picture tayo guys.